Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show how to use my RecyclerBannerAdView extension. So let's create a new project. You can see the demo here at the right of the screen. Here I am scrolling and you can see ads are loading and showing. So at first need to drag a vertical arrangement. This will be the RecyclerView container. Let me rename the component name as Recycler Container. I will use this container to show recycler items in this arrangement. So now let's import the RecyclerBannerAdView extension. And now it's imported and need to import AdMob SDK here because I am using RecyclerBannerAdView from the AdMob ads. So now let's import the banner ads extension SDK. And if you are not using any Firebase component, so you need to import one more extension. Its name GMS version extension. You will get all of this after purchase. So the Recycler BannerAdView extension, it's a paid extension. You have to purchase it from me. To purchase this extension, click on the link from the description of the video. So here I am changing the animation duration. And I will enable left swappable and right swappable feature and overscale feature. Designing section and some block section are same as my advanced RecyclerView extension. These icons will be shown when I swapped any items. Let me change the animation, default animation from landing animator. And here I am setting the icon for swapped items and swapped item level. This is for left swapped, and let me change the level text size, and this is for swipe right icon and swipe right text, and let me change again the swipe right text size. And this is the background when user swiped any items, the item swiped background. This is, I will show later in the demo section. So now let's do the block section. So when skin initialize, you need to initialize the RecyclerView. Before initialization RecyclerView, you need to initialize AdMob SDK and you need to get ready your data, list data. So for example, I will use for loop to make random data. Here I am making 200 items in the list. I will add item to the list, data list. So item will be randomly using for each loop. Here I am just writing button, then I will enter each space, then I will set the number input as a button number 1, 2, 3 to the 200. So when for each loop finished, now need to initialize the recycler view. Now set layout manager from the extension function. In linear layout manager, need to declare the orientation. Here I am setting as vertical and reverse layout as false. So also need to set the snap helper. Here I will set the linear snap helper. Then set the data. The data already I have made using for each loop. You can set data from your database. I will show demo for the Airtable. So here I am using the adaptive banner ad size for portrait orientation. You can set as your need. Here I am setting the test banner ad unit ID and test mode as true. So initialization success. Now need to create bio. Before creating bio, I will show how to use any database. So here you don't need any for each loop. You can use the get column function, enter any column names as part of your data model. I am just showing as demo, and you can set any limit, data limit. And when got columns, now initialize the recycler view with the datas. Here I am not using Airtable. I have just show it as a demo. Let me delete all things. In this video, I will show. I will use the demo data as for each loop. Now when on create view, we need to create a view for items. You can use the extension function to create any views, or you can use any dynamic components or inbuilt dynamic components also supported here. So the road view, we need to create view in road view. So here you have to enter the view name. I will use the MacRed card view, and you can set any tag, any unique tag for the card view. And I will set the properties for the card view. So in the first properties, you will set width as fill parent -2. Then the second properties is alien horizontal, its center. The center value is 3 here, and the alien vertical, it's 2 for center. Now need to create another view in card view. Here I will create a button view inside the MakerWeight card view. So here the parent view will be the card view. So get a component by tag card. This will return the MakerWeight card view. So set tag, set name as button. It's the Kodular button level. So set tag for unique tag for the button. I also set properties for button. First one is its width, and second one is font bold, and the third one is shape. The font width I will set as 150, and the font bold as true. And the shape will be 1 here. So creating items is done. Now need to bind data for items. Before binding data, you need to set unique ID for views for its position. Recycler adapter position. So at first use get component to get the MakerWeight card view for setting its unique ID. Here I will use the join text for setting the random ID for the position, item position. Now set the button tag here to get the button as a view, and I will use the same formula here, just change card as button tag. So it will set unique ID for items when the unbind view will be triggered. Now set properties for the button view. Use the same get component using button tag, and here I will change the button text for bind view. Here I will set the data item. It's return the item for the position from the given list, data list. So binding data is complete for this view. Now need to confirm the click for items. just drag a card view because I have used the MakerAd card view here. So now use the any card view component clicked. So after drag this event, you can delete this component from the designer section. So when any card view clicked, we need to set here a condition. So two conditions are required. So here I am using the logic not already handled and it is dynamic component, so we will handle the click operation. So how can you get the position for the item? I will show this. You need to use the get adapter position using root view. Here the root view is the component, card view component, and it will return the adapter position, not item position. So you need to use one more function name item position. Item position function takes adapter position and return the item position. So all things are done, and you need to set left swiped and right swiped event if you used the function, otherwise it's not necessary. Here I have enabled both, so I will use the event here. So here you need to notify the adapter that item removed. So adapter will take the adapter position, not the item position, but you have to remove item from your list using the item position. To manipulate your data, use the item position, but the adapter requires the adapter position to animate the or remove the data from the list. So let me scan the code to test the implementation. Here I will show you. So let me scan. This extension support all of Builder, Kodular, Niotron, App Inventor, FJAR, Android Builder, all of Builder it's supported. So here you can see the output. I have set 8 as far after item. So add will be added every 8 items, after every 8 items. So you can see here I am scrolling and you can see the animation, landing animation, and animation duration as 500 millisecond. So you can see items are added with animation and the banner added without animation, and every banner ad will be added after 8 items. When sometimes the banner ad fail to load, so you need to rescroll, or the AdView past resum and restore operation will be automatically handled by the extension. You don't worry about it. Every AdView is different. It's not same AdView, same banner. It's different banner. So your earning will be very good. You can generate more earning using recycler view. So you can boost your earning using recycler banner ad view. Here you can see all of banner ads added after 8 items. You can change the position when initialize. Here I am swiping items. You can also see its background, icon, label and text size also. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. More videos will be coming soon.